Welcome. If you want to change notification setup on your NUBIA Z17 Lite, for the first we have to go to the settings, then we have to move to the apps right here, and for example we can choose Gmail, click on the notifications, and as you can see we can turn off notifications right now. So after disable we will not receive any notification and sound from this application. Also we can turn off the notification in status bar right here on the lock screen, and there is also the option brief light reminder. So brief light flashes where there is a notification in screen off mode, and you can set it up on every application that is actually here available. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.